FORA.tv. The world is thinking.
So here's how OpenCongress works. We take official bill information and put it up alongside news coverage of Congress and blog posts about Congress and commentary from the public and social wisdom of all sorts to create a comprehensive snapshot of what's really happening in Congress. On OpenCongress, one way you can use it is to read about bills and to get all their vital details. You can also use bill pages to share key information with your social networks that are online. So it's great for political bloggers and issue-based groups. And a third way is that you can use it to track bills. You can log in and create a free OpenCongress account. And it's called My OpenCongress. And this account allows you to create a page of all the things you're tracking. And then you can also do social networking within OpenCongress. And the uses of this are primarily to see what people are saying about Congress, to see what real-world people who you're friends with and can understand are saying about this big mess of bills and issues that's out there. Some of the implications of this are that, first of all, OpenCongress encourages government transparency on a number of levels, and we're proud to work with a number of partners in this. Another is that it helps to combat corruption, and we're very invested in that aspect of it. And overall, we're trying to build public knowledge about Congress using peer-to-peer sharing of the best info about Congress. Two quick examples of what the site can do. One example is that the most popular bill on our site right now is an unemployment bill that's become a hub of community discussion and activity, where people have come to our bill page and left comments saying, I'm unemployed, I'm really interested in this bill, or I'm unemployed, I care about this bill. On this bill alone, there's almost 10,000 comments on OpenCongress right now, and they run the gamut from just really visceral public opinion to informed insight about the latest status of a bill. Another example is openmass.org, which is a website produced by one programmer who took our open source code and brought it down to the state level. And this is something that we're interested in facilitating greatly. He used our design and some of our code to make a version of OpenCongress for the state of Massachusetts. Our proposal here for NetSquared hopes to build in outside data sources that will allow us to, specifically we're looking at OpenCalais and Daylife, although we're open to a lot of different suggestions because there's a lot of very cool projects out there that we're interested in integrating with, and a lot more data that we can put in front of people that'll help them make connections about what's really going on in Congress. And the goal of this is to, it's again to sort of engage with all the exciting work that's going on out there and allow OpenCongress to contribute to this body of knowledge. So the web can make this possible. The web can bring us closer to a shared communal understanding of how the bills in Congress affect our lives. But we need a resource like OpenCongress in order to provide a user-friendly interface, in order to provide an authoritative reference, in order to provide all the sharing tools in a good open source community-based format, in order to disseminate this knowledge out.